What's up, everybody? Today we are in Cozumel, Mexico, and on the agenda for today, let's see if we can find some Jeeps. We have finally made it into Cozumel. We are in port, and we walked through that little strip mall. Just downstairs in the strip mall, there's an Alamo car rental, which you probably know from the US. You can rent any vehicle there, but including a nice Jeep Wrangler. So I love Jeeps. I had a Jeep Wrangler 2017, just like this one behind me. So we went ahead and rented this Jeep Wrangler for the day. We're gonna go out to the beach, grab some real Mexican food over on the other side of the island. So you could either do something like this, or you could take a tour. It really is up to your preference, but let's go on an adventure and let's get Jeeping.
We just got a little lost.
Just a little lost in town for like half hour or so.
Nice little Mexican prank they played on.
Yeah, they said take 7 rights. So 7 rights don't make a left. I think 4 do. Oh, diamonds. Okay, Jeeps and diamonds. Always the international diamonds.
Shine bright like a diamond.
We are at Paradise Beach in Mexico. This is Cozumel, and if you look around, beautiful water. Day out about, fun in the sun in Cozumel. Heading out, going back to the cruise ship now. Alright guys, we just got back onto the ship. It was a great day out in Cozumel. Truthfully, gorgeous weather. Couldn't have asked for a better day. I am glad that we chose the option to take a Jeep out instead of doing some of the possible excursions here. Kind of did the math on the way back, thinking about it in my head. The excursions could have cost us roughly about $110 just to get out to the same area. But the Jeep ended up working out for about $120. It was go at our leisure. We got lost 3 times, so we got to see a little bit of a different area of the town as well. But it all worked out. We've ended up in a nice place, and truthfully, Cozumel feels overall relatively safe and quite like you know, a nice place that you want to visit. So hope you guys enjoyed some of the videos. We'll see you soon.